Hello, I'm Milo for About.com, and today we're talking about choosing a barbershop or a salon for men. There are some fundamental differences between salons and barbershops you should consider. While your decision will finally depend on the expertise of the individual you trust your look with, it helps to look in the right place for the skills and services you might want. A salon suggests style, and in Western countries, salons may conjure up images of makeovers, trending fashion, and perhaps glamour. Stylists in salons tend to study the latest cuts and try to be aware of what is happening in the way people are wearing their hair. A good stylist at a salon will not only be trendy, but grounded in how to make you look your best. The focus can be on the overall look, including the eyebrows and hair color. Speaking of which, salons can also offer hair coloring and other treatments that transform the basic nature of your hair. Barbershops, on the other hand, connote a more traditional, possibly masculine hangout. Style might not be front and center, but attention to excellent grooming is. Services in a barbershop may also include shaving and tending to facial hair in a more attentive way. Typical barbershops may take a more simple but refined take on hair care, focusing on basic, well-groomed cuts. In either place, do not let assumptions and stereotypes fool you. There are cutting-edge barbershops and solid salons with attention to masculine clients, so it'll come down to three basic things. Your overall goal for your look, traditional and possibly no-fuss simple, or cutting-edge and trending. The knowledge and skill of the barber or stylist, and most importantly, your relationship with them. For more helpful and excellent tips and information on men's fashion and grooming, check us out at About.com.